Are you looking for how to increase your vertical jump? Well, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that in this video. What's up, everybody? Nathaniel Morton here with NathanielMorton.com, helping you become bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a vertical jump training workout that you can do to increase your vertical, jump higher, and dunk a basketball. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, what you see me doing here is a warm-up. This is the warm-up that I do before every single one of my leg days or vertical jump training days. Anytime that I'm trying to jump higher or get a leg workout, I do this warm-up. What I just did was glute bridges with an extension at the top. I did a hip abduction at the top, 3 sets of 15, and then I did 3 sets of 10 monster walks, and I superset the glute bridges with the monster walks. What you see my buddy Nate doing right here are called, we'll just call them TKEs to shorten them up. And what this does is you wrap your resistance band around a pole, and all that you do is use your quad to straighten your leg. And what that does is strengthen the muscles across the knee joint. So it's very good for your knees. What he's doing right here are called clams. Okay, and the clams are 3 sets of 15 each. The TKEs were 3 sets of 15 each, and what I am doing here are fire hydrants, 10 circles forward, 10 circles backwards, and 10 straight out to the side. And this is our warm-up before every leg day and every vertical jump training workout that we do. Let's jump into the actual workout. Right here, I am doing weighted walking lunges. I got 135 pounds, put 45 pounds on a straight bar, and I'm doing weighted walking lunges. What we did was 4 sets of 10 steps each leg. So I do 5 steps each leg on the way down, and then I turn around and I do 5 steps of each leg on the way back. Weighted lunges, you could do these with dumbbells. Doesn't have to be a barbell like this. I know a lot of you don't have a track, so they don't even have to be walking. You can do them in place, but this is a great compound movement to increase the strength of your quads, your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes, mainly your quads and your glutes. Okay, so those are weighted walking lunges, 4 sets of 10 steps each leg. Then we jumped into our squats. For some reason, I was extremely tight for this leg day. I think it's because I did legs last night, and then I did my warm-up last night, my glute bridges, all that type of stuff from my glute medius last night, and then I came in and I was extremely tight. My hips were tight, my glutes were tight, everything was tight. Okay, but we're doing squats. As you can see, my form is not the best because I was this tight, but what I want you to do is use good form, use challenging weight for you. Don't even mind the weights that I'm doing. Use challenging weight for you. Wow, that was a terrible rep. What you are going to do is go slow and controlled on the way down and try to explode up as fast as you can. Hopefully you have more success with the squats than I do. Okay, right here I have 225 on the bar. It's good that this is lightweight, because if it was super heavyweight and I'm using bad form like this, I probably would not. I probably would have tweaked my back or something like that. But slow and controlled on the way down and try to explode up as fast as you can. We did, I believe, 5 sets of squats, and we just increased the weight as we went on. What I want you to do is just use a challenging weight for you. 5 sets of a challenging weight. Start with higher reps, and as you go on and get heavier, do less reps until you get to 2 reps with a challenging weight to increase your strength and jump higher, because we all understand that to increase our vertical jump, we have to increase 2 things. Number 1, how strong our leg muscles and our lower back muscles and our posterior chain and our core is. And number 2, how fast we can move the weights from point A to point B. Okay, so move the weights fast with good form. Do not do the form like I did. I should have just skipped them, but I'm stubborn. And here we go, we have kettlebell swings. With the kettlebell swings, we did 4 sets of 10 reps with a lighter weight. And then what you see me doing here is I am doing explosive step ups. So what I'm doing is a slight pause right before I force my foot into the step and explode up as high as I can. Okay, you want to do this fast and explosive. Everything is fast and explosive with this, and this is 4 sets of, I believe we did 8 step-ups each leg, maybe 10, 8 to 10 step-ups each leg. And then we finished off with some core work. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you understand that the lower back is part of your core. It needs to be worked to increase your vertical jump. So what we're doing here are alternating Supermans. So we're alternating whichever arm you do the opposite leg. This is for your lower back. It will strengthen the muscles of your lower back. And we did 3 sets of 10 reps each leg for this, and then 3 sets of 10 reps each leg for what these are, and these are called dead bugs. This is for your core. So usually we do some more core work, but today we only did these 2 exercises because we ran out of time, and these were Supermans supersetted with dead bugs. All right, everybody, that's been my vertical jump training workout of the day to help you increase your vertical jump higher and dunk a basketball. I will see you guys next time. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in a step-by-step vertical jump training program that can walk you through every set, every rep, and every exercise that you need to increase your vertical jump, jump higher, and dunk a basketball, I will link my very own vertical jump training program down below in the description of this video, or you can visit my website at www.nathanielmorton.com. If you are interested in vertical jump online coaching, you can once again click the link down below in the description or email me at nathanielmortoncoaching@gmail.com. Like this video if you like it, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time.